Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share a very popular South Indian breakfast recipe that's crispy Kuzhi Paniyaram. It's a savory dumplings made after seasoning the batter, which adds excellent flavor and taste to it. Along with that, also shared a coconut chutney recipe that's green coconut chutney as an accompaniment to paniyarams. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So let's learn how to make crispy kuli paniyaram at home in an easy way. So let's start. Here I have taken idli batter. The batter should be of medium consistency, neither too thin or thick. And I've already added salt into it. And I've shared how to make idli batter. You may see it in the iCard and the description box below. Now let's make a quick seasoning for this batter. For that, preheat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Once oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds that dry and allow it to crackle. Then add 1 teaspoon of split black gram dal, that's urad dal, and allow it to slightly change color. Once it's roasted well, now add 1 tablespoon of roasted gram dal, that's darya in Hindi, and potu kadlai or pori kadlai in Tamil. Now roast it for a few seconds. Then we're going to add few curry leaves that's finely chopped. Give a good mix. And then goes in 2 green chilies. Green chilies are finely chopped. And add dry red chili after removing the seeds. So I'm adding 2 de-seeded red chilies. Roast for a few seconds. Now to this add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that's hing, and mix well. Now add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions and fry it until it turns soft and translucent. Do not brown the onion. Now add salt as per taste and little ginger garlic paste and fry until raw aroma goes away. Remember, we have already added salt to our batter, so add the salt accordingly. Seasoning is ready. So let's pour this into the idli batter. This seasoning will give a nice flavor and crunchiness to paniyaram once it's ready. Now to this add handful of chopped coriander leaves and mix it very well. And the kuli paniyaram batter is ready now. Once the batter is mixed well, let's cook paniyaram. For that, take a paniyaram pan. It's a pan that has small molds in it. Heat up the pan, keep flame on very low, and then add few drops of oil into each mold, say around half a teaspoon on each, and then pour the batter on each molds up to 3/4 level. Do not pour it full, otherwise it might overflow. Once all the molds are filled, we're going to cover and cook the paniyaram. I prefer to cover and cook as the paniyarams will cook faster and the bottom part will turn crispy and the top will also be semi-cooked in the steam. So cover and cook. It cooks very fast in just 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes and you can see a nice golden color at the bottom. Now let's flip and check. It has turned crispy. With a spoon, just flip it over and you'll see a very nice golden crispy texture at the bottom. Now flip all the paniyarams and cook on the other side too. After flipping, we'll be cooking it uncovered as it's almost done and in just 1 to 2 minutes the paniyarams will get ready. The flame is still on low. In this way you will see that the paniyaram gets evenly cooked. Now cook the other side without covering it and look at it. Look at the texture. It's super crispy from outside and very fluffy and spongy from inside. It's been 2 minutes and you'll see the paniyaram is well cooked on the other side too. So just remove the paniyarams and transfer to a plate. And that's it. A super quick, crispy and a tasty kuli paniyaram is absolutely ready. Look how well it is cooked on the other side too. This is how it has to be. Now this was the first batch. Now continue making paniyarams with the remaining batter. While this is getting cooked, let's prepare the coconut chutney. That's green coconut chutney that goes great with paniyarams. Now for making this chutney, into a blender, add half a cup of roasted gram, that's dariya or pottukadalai, and half a cup of fresh sliced coconut. Then add 3 green chilies as per your spice taste and add 2 garlic cloves. Now to this add handful of chopped coriander leaves as it will enhance the taste and flavor of the chutney. Add salt as per taste and little water. Now blend this to a smooth chutney. I prefer thick consistency, so added little water. You may adjust water to get your desired consistency. Now let's give a quick tadka or tempering for this chutney. For that, into a small tadka pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil heats up, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow to crackle. And now to this add half a teaspoon of urad dal and roast it for few seconds. Then goes in few curry leaves and 1 dry red chilies. Mix all well and a tadka is ready. Switch off the flame and pour this tadka into a delicious coconut chutney. And that's it, a super quick chutney is ready. This is the consistency I prefer. Serve this super crispy, delicious Kuzhi Paniyaram with green coconut chutney. This super easy dish can be prepared for breakfast or dinner and also as an evening snack. Look at it. How tempting it looks, isn't it? It's super crunchy and tasty. It's a must-try recipe. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself and stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.